Do you know the feeling of frustration when attempt to grow with one account go to nowhere? If you haven't tried several strategies and still aren't seeing significant progress, this video is for you. Today we show you the method that finally get automated the roads and can help you too. Let's start with that with $17 guys, and let's go to the first one. I've got an exciting surprise lined up just for you. You stay with me until the end of the video guys, you won't want to miss it. Now for this one, we're gonna start with classic candles and 15 seconds on time frame. Alright. And guys, we're gonna use three indicators: envelopes, accelerator, oscillator, and Aroon. Alright. So for envelopes, you're gonna use 9001 EMA and open for source. Okay. That size is up to you, as I said in the previous video on that one. If you want to use the same color, if you want to use the same pixel thickness, accelerator 720 and 6, that's gonna use, and that's the color. All right, not gonna do that. 12 on period for Aroon, that style, yellow and pink line. Okay. 1 minute expiration time and $17. Okay, so let's start with that and let's make some money with this one. Check it out, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, for all those having interest on that, the link for a proxy option registration link in the description of the video. All right. So I think it's perfect moment to open a position in the upward direction, right? With this strategy, we're just gonna work in reverse. When you get to reverse and pullback, okay? So, first of all, of course, I watch red line below the envelopes, as I said, because the red candle touched the headline of the envelopes. The signal starts right here as a revert. But we have not relied only on the envelope signal. I have two more indicators that should give me the confirmation signal for that. We have this oscillator, all right? When just get a new candle on that's the sign for us. And we got the pink line crossing the yellow one with the Aroon, okay? So we have to look for all the indicators, and also we have this one. Of course, that's great. We're just making our first one, $32. And guys, that's important to remember. That's just one of the strategies that can change your trajectory in this market. To be a professional, mastering the most profitable, that's the strategy is the key. I have prepared two exclusive space up content crucial for growth. You stick with me into the end of the video and let's go with that, man. Let's go. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright. This time, as the previous one, I just look for my current on that. And it got as the previous one, as I said. Look at this. It's almost the same scenario. You just wait for the red candle to start the red line and start to go up again for the Aroon. Okay. We don't have any signal for that for oscillator in this time. But you can use the Aroon for that. Okay. Now out about the oscillator. We'll start with the oscillators. Okay, you can do that. Right now this turn green. Okay. When in this case we have the bearish and pro and the candles oscillator but with the positive direction. Okay, that's like stairs. I mean upwards. The more oscillator candles keeping the maximal trade uptrend, consider the signal to be strong. I think everything is going perfect way for that. But let's wait for this. 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and boom! We got this $32.471 in my account right now, guys. That's two perfect trades so far. That's amazing and good for us. All right, we just got two perfect trades so far at an uptrend, and now we gonna start to use that and the reverse going down. Okay, the red candles or the green candles, that's just it's up to you, but now I use that as green. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. With those later candles, with the Aroon, that's with the L1 just crossing each other right before those later candles signal us for that. This means the Aroon indicators also gives me a signal for that. All right. Pink one crossing that, the red starts to go down. The stairs with the oscillator, all right. As you can see, this always great signal for us. All three indicators work best combination with each other. And I think this is one of the best combination of these three indicators as you can get right now. Of course, everything goes so perfectly in liquid. That's $47. Of course, I wanted that again. That's very good. The third position just give us to the $7. All right, guys. As I have already told you, I should carefully observe which indicator because you should not confuse real signals with fake one. If any indicator does not give you a signal, do not rely on one true indicator of this particular metal. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I really wanted to see it again in the live session or something like that. Thanks so much for that. Just write in the comments. Just subscribe to the channel. Give her a like. So actually right now, guys, wish you good profit, good operations. Good one, guys. See you. Bye-bye. Thanks so much.